Hello, I'm Chris Fenton with the Fenton Team, and I'm here to give you a real estate market update for Port Alberni for December 2015. Since it's the last month of the year, I thought I'd do something a little bit differently. And instead of going out and giving you a market update around town, I thought I would show you how we do it here on the back end of the computer, just for a little change of pace. Just as a landing page, we're starting here on our newest website, which is just listed alberni.ca. Really cool website where we're highlighting some of the newest listings. It's an MLS search site, and we're posting new listings every day to the front page here. Some really cool functions on this site. You can search by neighborhood, specific neighborhoods. You can define your own neighborhood using a map and then search that way. And then you can save those searches so that you get email updates of new listings that come up in your area, in your price range, with the features that you're looking for. So if you're interested in searching for real estate, I would check out the site. So let's move on to the market update. I wanted to show you how we do this. So this is the back end of the MLS, or this is a program called Interface that realtors use to access MLS data. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly show you a little bit about how I do this. So I'm going to tell the computer I'm looking in Port Alberni, and I'm looking for the greater Alberni Valley. So that includes Beaver Creek, Cherry Creek, and Sprout Lake. I'm looking for single family homes, and I'm looking for ones that have sold. And now I'm going to tell the computer when I want it to sell. So we're interested in statistically homes that have sold year to date, December 15th, from January 1st to December 15th, 2015. It tells me there's 302 of those. I hit search, and now it starts to return those results. So it's just going to take it a second to grab all that data and put it up here on the page. And then I just wanted to rather update the profile so that it has more relevant information. It's going to take a second. And there we go. Okay, so this is what, no, I'm not sure. Okay, so this is what we have. We have everything that sold last year in Port Alberni, in the Alberni Valley. So this is the address, MLS number, the area, bedrooms, bathrooms, list price, sale price, assessed value, the ratio of sale price to assessed value, and a little bit more information. So what I really wanted to talk to you about, or one thing that people are going to find really interesting, is assessed value. So there's a misconception that your assessed value, the tax assessment that you get in the mail, holds some bearing on what your house is worth. And unfortunately, nothing could be farther from the truth. Assessed values are done by assessors who don't have the opportunity, because of the volume, to go inside homes, so they can't really do an accurate job. I think they use a mathematical formula, sort of blanket coverage entire areas. So they're very inaccurate, and I'll prove this to you. So this ratio is a ratio of the assessed value to the sale price. If it's over 1.0, that means that the sale price, the real price, the market value of the house, is above the assessed value. If it's under 1.0, it means that the assessed value is over the sale price. So if this was accurate, they would all be ones, and you'll see they're all over the board. 1.7, 0.8, 1.16, 1.2. There's a bunch here that are ones, then we're under, and there's a bunch that are under, 0.75. There's no rhyme or reason to it. So the interesting thing. So what I do now is I take these statistics, and I basically manipulate the information, or I use the information through math to come up with usable information. So I'll show you what the data has told us. This is November 2015 as compared to November 2014. So this year there have been 42 listings on the market in November, or come on the market, 37 last year. There were 14 sales this year, 24 last year. The median sale price was $169.5 this year, $199 last year, and the average days on the market was 51 this year, 102 last year. I think we can just throw this out right away, the median sale price. When you are dealing with 24 and 14 sales, it's too easy for outliers to skew this, or for the numbers to get skewed. So 169.5 is nowhere near our average sale price, so it's not really useful information. Interesting though, sales are down this month. It's the first month in 2015 that sales are down as compared to 2014. And I think what's happened is the weather's played a part of that. And I also think that the market has been so busy this year, it's taken a break for the month. It doesn't worry us really at all, because the internet traffic is still quite high, and most people buy online now. Average days on the market have been down for 2015 every month, and I think that that's an accurate representation. Things are selling faster. This is more interesting because this is year to date, so you're starting to deal with big enough numbers that the information is relatively accurate. So number of listings this year is 638 compared to 622 last year. Those numbers are practically identical. So That's good, but sales are up considerably. Our sales are 302 homes this year, 251 last year. That's an increase of 20.7%, which is phenomenal with 2 months of market left. That's what the number is going to be in and around. The median sale price is 195,000 for this year, 203,000 for last year. Can't really explain that, but I can tell you our average home price has not gone down this year. It has probably gone up a little bit for the average house, and certainly certain areas, as I talked about in the last market update, are increasing in value. Average days on the market is 81 this year as compared to 99. So think about that for a second. It takes about 3 months for a house to sell. And with only about 40% of homes coming on the market actually selling, this 81 days is just for the homes that have sold. So the market is still challenging, even though it's getting much, much better. So that's it for the market update for December. I hope everyone has, first of all, I hope everyone has an awesome holiday and awesome new year. And I'm looking forward to giving you a market update in January. So from Chris and Esther and Darren at the Fenton Team, thanks for watching this market update. If you'd like to get future market updates, please like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, or shoot us an email and we'll add you to the monthly email newsletter. Thanks. Have a great holidays and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.